Thunderstorm in the city, take one. June 2nd, 2010, take one. Hey everybody, we got a violent thunderstorm. It's severe. This guy's in heat, don't worry about it. Just some more here. If I turn this light off, it'd be better. There we go. Well, these storms are not severe, but we're gonna make a two-part video. We got winds are picking up. $40-mile winds, 50-mile winds are picking up. It was really dark about back then, now it's bright. We're inside the storm cell right now. It's not bad, guys, bad lightning, but not a lot of thundering. Severe, but not a lot of thunder or lightning. Whoa, what's that? Did I hit something? What? Did I hit something?
I don't know.
What? Lucky the pod didn't go flash like that. Because that's what happened the last time. Flashed and boom. We might cause another power outage. Weather officers said some bad lightning. People without power already crossed that rate of 5,000, 7,000 so far. And we might be in still going up. We might be one of them. But can be between now up to 7 in the morning. Can't use the door because the wind's pushing our direction. I got some good batteries, I mean, wow. Just bought a new chargeable batteries, just bought them. And they're still good. I make like 10 videos out of it, and it's still good. This time it's not 20, it's like 40. I bought some expensive ones. That could last up to like up to 2.5 years. At least. Maybe. 7 ends, then another 7, then a little bit like that. You don't eat batteries, that's a lie. It's not true, don't eat up batteries. Starting out a little bit. Boy, we're part of it, we're top of it. Just a little bit yellow. Starting out a little bit. You scared? When that thunder just happened like 2 minutes ago, that cat just zoomed right in the basement. Are there any good lightning strikes? Well, stay light. It's 6:25 in the morning. Today is the 2nd June 2010. Look at the stock market. It looks like it's going up and down, straight east for the past 5 days. You scared? She always yells every time we got a storm. What is he?
Yeah, because I hate storms. I have a little fun, not just gonna kill it.
Yeah, whatever. That storm has to be like 10 miles around it. You can't even kill it. The only 2 inches of storm is like 10 miles big. When we're ever gonna get enough crap of fun though? Because I'm about to go back in the back door pretty soon. So I can't get nothing in the front.
There was a quick shower. All I had to do was thunder when I got that damn thing out. I'm not even gonna wear the shirt.
Yeah. See that?
I heard that thunder when I got in the shower.
We in the top right now. Thunder and the wind. Which will be in the next episode. Thunder of the Wind. That'll be on a Saturday if we get some storms. And about that part, y'all. Stay tuned for more updates. Part 2 will be up soon.